everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista Espresso machine. It comes to us with leaking from out around the group head. So when I test the machine, I found out the machine needs a tune-up and these connections were broken. These connections, it's connected to the solenoid valve, and when you reach that area also I like to replace this gasket. It's in the top of the group head here. So I did that and I did a tune-up for the machine. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. Maybe if it's finer is better. So no, it's fine. It's in a coffee or espresso, so I believe this is not gonna be enough. But anyway, it works well. No leaks, no nothing. Tested without the group head. I mean without the porter filter, just from the group head. Yeah, that's why it was in the finest setting when I pulled the shot, so it gives it slower. So if you want it like more faster, you can put it in a cursor grind setting, and the customer can calibrate it as he likes. That's okay. Test the steamer. That works great. And the hot water. Alright, the machine functioning, everything on it perfect. Thank you for watching.